Nanometer values don't actually represent the size of the transistor, but rather the fabrication technology used to manufacture them. A long time ago, the gate pitch of a transistor was same as the fabrication technology, but this is not the case anymore. Hey there, my name is Gaurav, having an MTech degree in microelectronics and VLSI design from NIT Uttarakhand, and currently I am getting trained from Pine Training Academy in ASIC design. I have got my hands on multiple projects. Let us have a glimpse on one of them. This is a PMOS current mirror circuit. Current mirror circuit is a circuit designed to copy a current through one active device by controlling the current in another active device of a circuit, keeping the output current constant regardless of loading. The current being copied can be and sometimes is a varying signal current. The only structural difference between PMOS mirroring and NMOS mirroring is placement of I reference to source current or sink current. So there are some conditions we have to maintain for implementing current mirror circuits, like VG must be in control of I reference, I drive must be independent of VD, and third one is devices are selected to be identical. Let us have a look on the current mirror circuit in Cadence Virtuoso and simulate it to see its working. The design consists of two stages. Basically, first one is responsible for providing I reference current, which we want to copy to the other stages. In this case, the second stage. The current we get in the second stage will be known as the drive current or copied current. We can obtain the desired drive current by manipulating the W/L ratio of the second stage or other stages. In this scenario, we are checking the functionality for three different W/L ratios in all three stages. As we can see, the second stage is having the same W/L ratio as the first stage, the third one having the W/L ratio as double of the first stage, and fourth one having the W/L ratio as 4 times of the first stage. Let me give a DC current sweep in the reference current source with a range of 10 microampere to 250 microamperes and look at the I drive of the all three stages. Give it a range of 10 microampere to 250 microamperes. Select the output points where we let me create a vertical marker to show the current values in different points. As per the theory, we would get same current for same WIL or in same multiple with the same that multiple of WIL. Like in this case, the first two currents we are getting from same WIL ratio, and in third one we are getting double of the current of first stage and 4 times of the current in comparison with first stage. In this scenario, we are not getting the proper copies. To improvise this further, we can use more advanced current mirror. To improvise this further, we can use more advanced current mirror configurations like Wilson current mirror, Whittle current mirror, and cascade current mirrors. That was all about the PMOS current mirror circuit.